Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Animal Company in VR.
Recording how and what we're doing. I don't think I can hear you. Can I hear you? Alright guys, so we're going to be playing Animal Company. This is my 13th video about it.
This is gonna be my first video about it. I made a video before, but I don't want to publish it.
I'm about to get the creator hat.
Bro.
So just please subscribe so I can get the studio hat.
Oh my.
And also subscribe to him so he can get the studio hat.
Yeah.
It will well be. And we need the money.
Yeah, we do need the money. I mean, I only have 19,000 now, so I just...
I'm talking about real life money.
Oh. Yes, I only have 19,000. I'm kidding. I only need 500 more until I get 20k again. Ah! I'm dying. Bro, someone gave me a bag because they thought I was new. And I said, okay, thank you. Like, bro, you wanna know what was inside of it?
What just dropped out of that box?
Bro, you wanna know what was inside of the, bro, what? You wanna know what was inside of that bag that he gave me?
What?
A grappler, the broccoli. Bro, he gave me some, like, very good stuff. He gave me 2 balloons. Bro, I was confused. And he said, this is what I do for people. And I said, thank you, bro. You should keep doing this for people because they'll really appreciate it. Wait, where are you?
You almost killed me, dude.
You almost just died.
Hey, can I get purple crystals? I need to unlock the dragon RPG.
You do? Okay.
Yeah, and it only costs 3 crystals.
Yo, big crate, come here. Big crate.
Big crate. Yeah, let me do it. Let me do it.
Oh my gosh.
Make a flashlight. You use it. Oh my god.
Wait, what was in this bag?
It's a regular
Land.
bag. They don't spawn with.
Oh wait, let me get this. I only need. How much do we got? Oh wait, where are you? Woohoo! Oh gosh, you're cooked. I'll come back to red light, green light.
Dude,
I died. Hey bro, wait for me, I just died.
Alright, I'm waiting. You die.
I was coming back for you, I didn't know red light, green light guys respawned. I'm coming down. You here?
Yeah.
We need our stuff again.
You wanna know the crazy thing?
What?
You wanna know something weird?
What?
Yesterday, are you the same guy I was with yesterday?
I think so.
Yeah. Do you know how a red flashlight dropped from a crate?
Hold up, wait. I can't hear you, I'm mining.
Do you know how a red flashlight dropped from a crate?
How?
I don't know, but still, in that lobby, how did it drop from a crate? Red flashlights aren't in the game.
Yeah. Don't move. Oh, I thought you were dead.
Oh, bomb.
Bro, I don't know how we both died. Because I died to red light, green light, and then my body flung over here, and it touched like the stem thing. So I died to 2 things at once. So.
Do a drop. Nothing good.
Okay, let's go. Coming.
Something good did drop. An RPG.
Bro, no way you just got an RPG. Trophy?
Oh yeah, these sell for thousands of dollars. These right here. Those sell for $1,000 each.
There's the mimic. Do we kill him?
No. He's normal guy. He's a chill guy. Don't kill him. Fine, I'll kill him.
That's a real one. That's a real one.
You don't know how scared I just got there. You shut up.
When you almost just died, I would expect that you were scared.
I'm playing basketball with Mimic. Shotgun ammo.
What do you get?
Shotgun ammo.
Oh, nice.
Dude, this run is so good.
Yeah. Okay, here's the way. Here's the way. I normally die here. Here. Could I have your grappler if you're good at this?
You want my grappler?
Yeah. I'll trade you for just for this one. Here.
Hold on, let me go get an umbrella. Let me go get an umbrella.
Wait, are you coming back?
Yeah, I have to go get an umbrella.
You going back to the surface?
No, I'm going back to the top because there was an umbrella up there.
Okay, I'll wait here for you.
So I need.
Sorry, could you say that one more time?
I'm getting this umbrella that I saw up here.
Okay, sounds good.
How did Mimic jump down? How the heck did Mimic jump down?
Hold on, I'll put some bag. Hold on, wait, can I have?
You use the umbrella. I'll use this. Here, use it to glide over here.
Let's go.
No,
Okay, where are we going now?
We gotta leave. We gotta leave, dude.
Oh, so this way?
Yeah.
Okay, let's leave. Ah! That was fun.
Alright, here, I'm gonna go sell one thing that I got.
Bro, you're like getting flashlighted. Like, you know, like in the Super Bowl, like people like just like flash you with flashlights.
Hands up, waving around, party
Bro.
in the USA. Alright, I think these sell for like 1,000. He lied to me. He lied to me.
100. I got 111.
111. I got 117.
Actually, I have some leftover grapplers. I could use that instead of an umbrella.
Alright, I think we need to go to mines now.
Bro, mines is so creepy. Hold up, I'll agree with it only if we can go to the space map.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
I get it's not a mining map, but just for sake of the video,
there's a research point. There's a research point planet in there.
Yeah, no.
Like, so I know the way
Need
too
one more
to
research
get there.
point.
I know the way. Follow me.
I do too. Do this every day.
Okay, I'm always scared of this, even though I know what I'm doing. I still get scared of it.
I'm never scared.
I just don't like the mines and the spider. Like, you never know when the spider's just gonna pop out, you know?
I mean, it pops out every once in a while.
1 sec, I'm gonna mine something.
Alright, where did you go?
I'll be right there.
I got something to kill a spider with.
Woohoo!
I got something to kill a spider with.
Okay, that sounds good. Hey, I want this. I want this. Hold up, wait.
It's crazy how it's that one guy with an RPG trying to kill a spider.
Exactly, hold up.
And I'm that one guy.
Hold up, wait for
Come
me.
on, spiders.
Kill him.
Spiders.
I'll be right there.
Where is he?
I don't know. Where is he?
I hear him. This happens every day. I hear him, but I don't know where he is.
Wait, where are you?
By spider. Well, I want to see if it pops out when I just...
He's over here.
One.
You might kill yourself. Let's just get to the space map. Quick, quick, quick. Quick. I'm not sure if
Wait,
he
you
can
can
get
jump
here.
on these. Alright, now what? Now do you want me to shoot him?
I'm already at the space map. Did you just die? I heard a massive explosion, bro. Are you okay?
Trouble. I didn't die, but somehow the spider didn't die.
That makes no sense. Come to me.
With an RPG, how did he not die?
You do know you could just run on the wall, right, to get here? You died?
Yeah, I died. Can you get my stuff?
No, I'm in the planet right now.
No, please, because I don't have enough money to buy an RPG.
I'll try after I mine the resource points.
Just wait, I'm coming.
I'm at least trying to get 1 resource point from this. No!
You know the crazy thing?
What?
It feels like you're in real life because you can't see anything when you're playing the game.
You're not wrong.
So it feels like this game is real life.
I'm still at the world.
Yeah, I'm still at Spider.
Where are you at, like, near the planet?
How the heck did Spider die? He literally jumped in the lava.
I can see a spider right now, and I'm still in the planet area. Where are you?
I'm here
At the planet area?
at at the lava area.
Oh, it's it. Now we are there. It's this way! It's this way! Follow me! Let's go!
Hold on.
Ah! Yahoo! I like getting small. My grappler is so big. Ah! Ah! You. I dropped my grappler, but it's connected to the wall.
I'll get your grappler.
No, I can see it right now. I can see it. I'm growing big again. You too?
Where did you drop your grappler? Where did yours go?
Ah! Ah! I want more. I want more of you. Bro, I'm as big as the planets. No. No, 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 no. You're getting big too.
He doesn't kill you.
Huh?
The ground doesn't kill you.
I know.
Dude, you're getting bigger than me. And look how big I am. I'm the size of this.
I'm above you. Hello? Can you see me?
Oh crap.
I'm gonna go under the map. What's down here? Got a pickaxe down here. I found a pickaxe.
Oh, that's one. Oh yeah, I opened your phone crate.
Okay, there.
Got a little bit too big.
Same. Struggling to get back
Oh,
into
why?
the map. Hey, we're about the equal size. Where are you?
I'm bigger than you now.
Bro, we're so big that we barely fit into the map.
Why?
It's so hard to eat them now. Oh no.
I'm floating.
Oh, I'm floating too. No, my grappler! I think I'm getting out of the map. I think I'm going back to the surface. I'm floating. Where are you? Grab my grappler if you can.
I'm floating.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yo, we're gonna shrink soon. That's the thing. Then we're gonna fall. I see you. Look up. You did you shrink? I just shrank. Are you falling right now, or are you still here? How did I change that to channel 3? Oh no. That's not good. Hello? Hi. Okay. So cool. Can you try to get back into a server? Hello?
I'm good. Sorry, Kaden. Me and my friend, we got too big.
Oh, yeah.
And we got out of
Yeah,
the
we
map.
got.
Yeah, I got a rocket launcher.
You got your rocket launcher back? Well, I lost my grappler. You really can? Thank you. Bro, we grew so big, bro.
It can hold 21
Bro,
items.
did you get small? Like when you got small, were you falling down? 'Cause I had to leave the game.
Yeah, bro. No, I wasn't even falling down. I was stuck in mid.
I left the game.
I'll give you a grapple or two.
Oh no, I'll get it.
Surprise!
Hey,
I got you.
Give it to me. It's mine. It's mine, bro.
No, it's not.
No, go ahead.
Bro, give it back. Give it back, bro.
It's not yours. Gee,
It
bro,
is
look at you trying to scam.
Element of surprise.
Wow, bro, you really try to scam me, man. That's not nice.
Aren't you trying to scam him? I know what you're trying to do.
No, I'm not trying to scam him, retard.
Hey guys. I'm gonna. Hey,
I'm gonna report you
who's
to
the one
Discord and get
who
your
went to the
account
map
banned.
with me? The
Yeah,
space
bro,
map.
I'll trade you this.
I
I'll
don't
trade
play
you
this
this.
game a lot, so I honestly don't care.
Hey, can I trade you one of
I'll
those
trade-
for one of those? I'll trade you this, bro.
Hey, person who went to the space map with me.
Yeah. What do you want?
Here, grab
What's
2
a
rockets
revolver?
and then follow me.
Bro, I'll trade you this for the.
And put your stuff in the stash. We're
Get
gonna
on my face.
lose our stuff. Just for the ending of
Okay.
my video, I'm gonna do it. So put your stuff.
It's our video.
Yeah. Our.
We both did
point,
this
yeah.
video. You mean your video?
We both made a
Both
video.
our
But yeah.
Because we both doing
Okay,
it
follow
at
me,
the
follow
same
me.
time. Alright, what do you want? Kaden, what are you doing?
Follow me. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.